In this video, I'm going to guide you through a simple yet effective exercise called 5 things. Welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Liz White, a consultant clinical psychologist and specialist in OCD and anxiety. Do hit the like and subscribe button if you find value in this video. So the 5 things exercise is one that I recommend to my clients in therapy all of the time. It's my go-to exercise for managing stress, anxiety, and overwhelm. Now, it's designed to ground you in the present moment using your 5 senses. So whether you're dealing with racing thoughts or you're feeling distressed, then this practice will help you pause, reset, and find that emotional balance. And the best thing about this exercise is that it only takes a few minutes and you can do it anytime and anywhere. So let's start by talking about why this particular exercise works. Now, when we're feeling anxious or stressed or overwhelmed, our minds tend to race with lots of different thoughts. Thoughts about the future, making predictions, or thoughts about the past and what's happened. And sometimes I call this our time traveling mind. And this can feel really overwhelming, like we're caught up in a bit of an emotional storm. And the 5 things exercise helps us anchor to the present moment, right here, right now, using our 5 senses. And this practice works because it helps shift your attention away from the distressing thoughts and emotions to the present moment, to the here and now. And it's a great way to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps calm your body and your mind. So first, I'm going to talk you through how to do it, and then I'll do a guided practice that you can follow along with. So you start by pausing, so finding a comfortable place to sit or stand, and just simply take a slow, deep breath in and out. Then you look around and slowly name the things that you can see in front of you. And this could be as simple as, I can see the window, I can see my phone. The trick here is to use lots of rich detail when you are describing those objects to yourself. Next, you tune in to the sounds around you. This could be the hum of your heating system, birds chirping outside, or traffic going past. Then you shift your focus to touch. So what can you physically feel? So for example, I can feel the chair underneath me, I can feel the floor underneath my feet. Then you would notice any scents or smells in the air. So this might be your coffee or a candle that you might have flickering. And if you can't smell anything, then you would just imagine your favorite scents. Then the last part of this exercise is bringing your attention to your sense of taste. So you might notice the aftertaste of a meal, or perhaps you've just brushed your teeth. Or you can take a sip of water or a drink and sort of tune into that taste. So now let's try it together. You can follow along with me and I'm going to guide you through it step by step. So first, take a deep breath in, hold it, and then slowly exhale. Now look around you and start by naming 5 things that you can see. It doesn't matter what they are, it can be anything. And once you've named them, describe them to yourself in rich detail. Maybe it's a picture on your wall or a plant that you have in your room, and just describe each object to yourself in detail. Now name 4 things you can hear. Really listen and tune in to the sounds around you. Maybe it's the sound of my voice, or a clock on your wall, or people walking nearby. Tune in to those sounds. Next, notice 3 things that you can feel on your skin or on your body. Maybe it's the sensation of your feet on the floor, or your watch on your wrist, the fabric of your clothes, and just name those sensations and what they feel like to you. Now, if your mind is trying to distract you, if you're getting thoughts popping up, that is fine, that is expected. Just bring your attention back to naming those things that you can feel on your skin or on your body. Now take a moment to notice 2 scents that you can smell around you. Slowly inhale, and as you do, try and identify the scents that you can smell. If there's nothing obvious, then think about a scent that you like fresh flowers or freshly baked bread. And finally, identify one thing that you can taste right now. Now take another slow, deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Notice how you feel now compared to the beginning. Now, you can use the 5 things exercise whenever you need a mental reset. So it could be before a stressful event or a meeting that you have at work, or simply when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, or maybe you use it to wind down after a busy day, perhaps on your commute home. It's a really simple yet powerful way to connect to the present moment. Now, I hope the 5 things exercise gave you a sense of calm. Let me know in the comments if you tried it and how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and share it with someone that you feel could do with a little mindfulness in their life. I'll see you in the next video.